Alright, decently roomy. I am 186 centimeters long and the driver's seat is in my POV filming position. So it's a little bit back further than usual. It's a little bit snug, but can't complain at all. Those ventilation outlets are standard, nothing special. Normal seat pockets here. In the armrests we have the cup holders. So since this is the top of the line version, we have this on and off switch here. And we have a lot of controls here. Starting with the climate unit. So this one has the 3-zone climate system. Then we have shade, electric shade, pretty nice. The side windows are manual, what you gotta do, but at least they exist. And pretty cool stuff is the electric adjustment of the rear seats by pressing those buttons. And we also have the heated seats back here. So let's check out the cargo area. One little bit funny thing is the fact that there's no button over here to open it. I can push the switch in the interior near the driver's knee, or I can also push this button on the key fob. It's pretty roomy, and the coolest part here, we have the actual spare tire here. Pretty nice these days. And one letdown is the fact that we don't have the power tailgate. But what you gotta do? We have the electric steering column, which is really cool. Alright, let's go. Uros. Traction control light on. Yeah, it's pretty zippy in the sport mode. The electric assist is quite strong. was surprisingly good. I didn't expect that kind of driving enjoyment out of the front wheel drive mid-size sedan. Saab 9.5. But yeah, the steering is nice and sharp. We have some understeer, and we also have some wheel spin. But yeah, we have also the winter tires on already, so that could also be the blame. Okay, let's do a quick acceleration test. Put it to sport mode. Really cool animation, and hit it. And 100. Yeah, it's pretty zippy. At first it kind of hesitated, but it's quite strong and rather linear. But yeah, back to the handling. What I really liked is the power delivery. The throttle pedal is really responsive, and the power delivery is quite strong, I suppose, thanks to the electric motor. One thing I miss is this brake function on the gear lever, and this European version doesn't have the pedals neither. I've seen the North American versions have the flappy pedals, so it would be really nice to control the reach of the brakes via the pedals. So that's the one thing I really miss. But yeah, the one thing that really shines through is the build quality. This is like tough vehicle. It feels really strong and solid. So yeah, in the end, it's surprisingly good, and the slight understeer isn't a deal breaker for me, at least. Tunnel.